Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Woke Corner. We're so happy you're here with us today. If you're listening while relaxing at home, traveling to work, or enjoying a cup of tea, thank you for spending your time with us.
Hey everyone! It's great to have you with us again. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to talk about something that almost everyone experiences and talks about regularly.
That's right. And honestly, I love today's topic because it's something we can easily discuss in everyday English. It's simple, useful, and fun to learn.
Exactly. Today's topic is rainy days. We're going to learn how native English speakers talk about rainy weather, how to describe rainy days, and how to use many useful words and expressions related to rain.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk confidently about rainy weather, describe your feelings about rain, discuss your daily activities during rainy days, and understand many common English expressions that people use in real conversations.
Before we begin, we'd love to hear from you. Do you like rainy days or do you prefer sunny days? Tell us in the comments. We always enjoy reading your answers.
And if you're enjoying these lessons, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Woke Corner. We create English conversations every day to help you improve naturally.
Great! Now let's begin our rainy day English conversation and learn some useful English together.
Let's start with the basics. When we talk about rainy days in English, we usually use simple sentence structures. A very common structure is subject plus verb plus weather expression. For example, I like rainy days. We enjoy the rain. The weather is rainy today. It is raining outside. These are simple sentences, but they are very useful.
That's right. Let's look at some examples. It is raining now. The rain is heavy today. I forgot my umbrella. The roads are wet. We should stay inside. These are natural sentences that people use every day.
One important thing to remember is that English speakers often use it when talking about weather. For example, it is raining. It is cloudy. It is windy. It is cold. Notice that we don't say the weather is raining. We usually say it is raining.
That's a great point. Let's practice a few more examples. It is raining very hard. It is raining all day. It is raining again. It was raining yesterday. It might rain tomorrow. Can you repeat those sentences out loud?
Excellent practice. Now let's talk about some useful rainy day vocabulary. Rain, umbrella, raincoat, clouds, storm, thunder, lightning, puddle, wet, drizzle. These words are very common.
Let me use them in sentences. I carry an umbrella. My raincoat is blue. Dark clouds are in the sky. There was a storm last night. I heard loud thunder. I saw bright lightning. There are puddles on the road. My shoes are wet. It's only a light drizzle.
Wonderful examples. Now, let me share a personal example. When I wake up and see rain outside my window, I often make a cup of coffee and read a book. Rainy days make me feel calm and relaxed.
That's a very natural way to talk about your experience. You can say, rainy days make me happy. Rainy days make me sleepy. Rainy days make me relaxed. Rainy days make me excited. Interesting. For me, rainy days are perfect for watching movies. I enjoy sitting near the window and listening to the sound of rain. Listeners, what do you like to do on rainy days? Write your answer in the comments. Try using a full English sentence. Great idea.
Let's practice together. I like rain because it feels fresh. I stay inside because the storm is strong. I wear a raincoat because it's raining. Can you make your own sentence using because? Try speaking right now. Wonderful! Another common question is, how's the weather? The answer can be, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's stormy, it's wet outside, it's raining heavily. These answers are very natural.
And if someone asks, "Do you like rainy days?" you can answer, "Yes, I do." "No, I don't." "Sometimes." "Only when I'm at home." "Yes, because they're relaxing." "No, because I can't go outside."
That's exactly how real conversations work. Simple questions and simple answers help build confidence. Let's practice a mini conversation. How's the weather today? It's rainy. Do you like rainy weather? Yes, I do. Why? Because it's peaceful. Very simple and very natural.
Here's another one. How's the weather? It's raining heavily. Are you going outside? No, I'm not. Why not? Because I forgot my umbrella.
Fantastic! The more you practice these small conversations, the more comfortable you'll become when speaking English. Remember these key structures. It is raining. I like rainy days. I don't like getting wet. Because it is raining. How's the weather? These simple patterns can help you have many real conversations.
Before we finish this section, here's a quick challenge. Can you answer these questions? Do you like rainy days? What do you do when it rains? Do you carry an umbrella? What's your favorite rainy day activity? Write your answers in the comments and practice speaking them out loud. That's one of the best ways to improve your English. To summarize this section, we learned basic rainy day vocabulary, simple weather sentences, negative forms, useful questions, and natural everyday expressions. These are the building blocks you need before moving to more advanced rainy day conversations.
Now that we've learned the basic vocabulary and sentence patterns, let's make our English sound more natural. In this section, we'll learn how to talk about rainy day activities, feelings, and everyday conversations that happen when it rains.
That's right. Native English speakers don't just say, "It is raining." They also talk about how the weather affects their plans, their mood, and their daily routine. Learning these expressions will help your English sound much more natural.
Let's begin with a simple question. What do you usually do on a rainy day? This is a very common question. You can answer, I usually stay at home. I usually read a book. I usually watch movies. I usually drink hot coffee. I usually listen to music. Notice the structure. Subject plus usually plus verb plus object. For example, I usually read books. We usually cook dinner. They usually stay inside.
Here are a few more examples. I usually wear a raincoat. My family usually plays board games. My sister usually sleeps longer. My father usually drinks hot tea. Our dog usually stays inside the house. These are simple but useful everyday sentences.
Let's make our answers a little longer. Instead of saying, I watch movies, you can say, I usually watch movies because rainy weather makes me feel relaxed. Instead of saying, I stay home, say, I stay home because I don't like driving in heavy rain. Adding a reason makes your English more interesting.
Exactly. Here's another example. I enjoy rainy evenings because the air feels cool and fresh. I like listening to the sound of rain because it helps me relax. I don't enjoy storms because loud thunder scares me. Can you hear how natural those sentences sound?
Now let's practice a short conversation. What are you doing today? I'm staying home. Why? Because it's raining outside. What are you doing at home? I'm reading a book and drinking coffee. That sounds relaxing. This is the kind. Now let's practice a short conversation. What are you doing today? I'm staying home. Why? Because it's raining outside. What are you doing at home? I'm reading a book and drinking coffee. That sounds relaxing. This is the kind of conversation people have every day.
Here's another one. Hi, do you want to go for a walk? I'd love to, but it's raining. That's okay. We can go tomorrow. Good idea. Simple conversations like these help you become more confident.
Now, let's talk about feelings. Rainy days can make people feel different emotions. You can say, I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel relaxed. I feel sleepy. I feel peaceful. I feel lazy. I feel energetic after the rain. Try using I feel whenever you talk about your emotions.
Let me use those in longer sentences.
I feel peaceful when I hear the rain. I feel sleepy on cloudy afternoons. I feel excited when the weather becomes cool. I feel happy because I love rainy weather. These expressions are common in daily conversations.
Here's a useful tip. When speaking English, don't always repeat the word rain. Instead, use other expressions like the weather is nice. It's wet outside. It's pouring. It's drizzling. The sky is cloudy. The roads are slippery. Using different words makes your English richer.